Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect TransUnion to set up fraud alerts, full guide step by step clearly. To connect TransUnion and set up fraud alerts, begin by visiting the official TransUnion website. Once on the home page, look for the fraud alerts section. Click on the link to access the fraud alert setup page. You may need to create an account if you do not have one already. Provide the required personal information such as your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. After entering your details, follow the prompts to verify your identity. You may receive an email or a text message with a verification code. Enter the code in the designated field to confirm your identity. Once verified, locate the option to set up fraud alerts. Choose the type of alert you wish to set up, whether a 90-day alert or an extended alert for identity theft victims. Fill out any additional information required for the specific type of alert. Review the terms and conditions before submitting your request. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation message. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your fraud alert status. Consider setting up alerts with the other two major credit bureaus for comprehensive protection. Regularly check your credit report to monitor for any. Maintaining vigilance is key to protecting your identity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.